Morning trading, Market Dealers here to bring you a daily market bias video for Wednesday, November 11th. It's approximately 4:30 a.m. on the East Coast. I know many of you are probably scratching your head saying, my God, this is so bloody early in the morning. But some of you probably already know, or many of you already know, today I am going in for a medical procedure, and as such, I wanted to get this out as early as I possibly could. Unfortunately, my procedure is going to be held very early in the morning, so I wanted to take this opportunity to get this out as early as I could. And unfortunately, if I am going to be staying overnight in the hospital, which I don't know that I am or not, it probably won't be. There won't be much of an issue. There won't be any issue tomorrow for market tea leaves. However, we'll have to play that one by ear. But be that as it may, if we were to take a look at the overnight session in Asia, Asia's trading mainly high with the exception of the Hang Seng and the Shanghai exchanges, which are trading down at this particular time. Currently, right now in Europe, and it's currently ongoing as Europe is open trading. Up until a little while ago, all of Europe was trading to the upside. Now it appears as though the Spanish IBEX is starting to dip into negative territory. However, the majority of the exchanges are still in positive territory. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading higher. The bonds, however, are trading lower. In fact, the entire bond universe is lower. And the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a higher open. Gold is trading lower. Crude oil is trading higher. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we have absolutely nothing. I mean, because of Veterans Day, this is considered to be a bank holiday. However, the markets will be open today. But there isn't any major economic news that's going to be reported or is on the docket to be reported today. What will happen is Thursday and Friday, whatever would have been reported on Wednesday is going to be shoved into one of those 2 days. So expect to see a more robust economic news docket spread tomorrow, if you will. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're maintaining a neutral bias is, our instruments are pretty much split dead center in terms of direction. For example, crude oil is trading higher. The dollar is trading higher. Bonds are trading lower. Gold is trading lower. And the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average still point to a higher open. However, the interesting thing here is the S&P is starting to degrade. When we first started taking a look at this morning, this is up to like maybe 24, 25. Now it's down to about 20, so it may be degrading a little bit. But be that as it may, our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. What we might see is very much of a mixed market, which has been the case over the last few days. So we may be seeing that again today. Time will tell in that regard. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.